Hello. Audible now? Hello. Is it audible? Am I visible? Okay, sorry for the delay, guys. Okay, we'll start with the aptitude. And first, let us know that what are the 1 minute. Today, we're going to see the TCS specification, what are the rounds will be there and what are the concept will be there. First, there will be 2 rounds, and in first round, there will be numerical ability, verbal English, and reasoning ability, and programming language, coding ability. In second round, there will be advanced aptitude and advanced reasoning ability, then advanced coding. Okay, first, let us see the numerical part. Okay, first let's move on to the number system. Okay, try solving the first one. Is it visible? Okay, it is visible. Okay, solve for the first one. After completing the first one, let me know the answer. Okay. Okay, I'll explain the first problem. Okay, first tell me, what are the prime numbers? What are prime numbers? Okay, the prime numbers cannot be less than 1, and the prime numbers which are we call prime numbers are which are not divisible by any other numbers. The number which is not divisible by any other numbers are called prime numbers. So tell me the answer now. 187 is divisible by any other number? 187 we can divide by 11, and this 811 is sorry, 341 also we can divide by 11, 437 also we can divide by 19, but this 811 we can't divide by any prime number, so it is called as prime number. So in this, option B is the right answer. First, we need to check whether the number is divisible by any other numbers. If yes, then it is not a prime number. If not, then it is a prime number. Are you clear with the first one? Why option B is the answer? Any doubt? Because this 811 is not divisible by any other numbers, so it is a prime number. One 187 is divisible by 11. Check it out. One 187 is divisible by 11. So that number is not a prime number. 811 we cannot divide by any other number. But 341 option C we can divide by 11. 437 also we can divide by 19. So A, C, D are are not divisible by any other number. Got the answer? Okay. This B option is not divisible by any other number, so it is called as prime number. Okay, check the answer for second one. Hello, is it audible and screen is visible? Okay, okay. Tell me the second one answer. What is the answer for second one? Option B. Yeah, it's right. But how will you do the answer? You'll calculate like 6894 into 99, right? Instead of doing like that, you can calculate like 6894 into 100. What will you get? 689400. In that, you need to minus how much? 6894. Then you'll get the answer 682506. This will be the answer. Don't multiply directly with 99. Just multiply with 100 and minus with 6894. You'll get the answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Try to solve this third one. Don't use calculator. Instead of calculating, multiplying with 1 to 5, you can multiply with 5 to the power 3. And 5, we can write it as 10 by 2. Just try solving like that. This we can write it as 6855798 into 5 to the power 3. Why we're writing 5 to the power 3? Because 5 to the power 3 is 1 to 5, right? This 6855798 into this 5 we can write it as 1 minute 10 by 2 to the power 3. We can write 5 as 10 by 2, right? Then multiply this number with 10 to the power 3 and divide by 2 to the power 3. So it will be 1 minute. Six, sorry, 6 6,85798 into 10 to the power 3. 1 minute. 10 to the power 3 divide by 6,85798. Sorry, 2 to the power 3. First, we are multiplying the numerator and denominator 2 to the power 3 because this 10 by 2, the whole power is 3. So we are writing separately. So then we're going to get, we have to multiply this 6,85798 into 10 to the power 3 is 10. What is the answer? 10 to the power 3. It is, we're writing 3 zeros, right? Okay, then we need to divide by 2 to the power 8 is, 2 to the power 3 is 8. Six eight five seven 98000, and you are dividing by 8. You are not multiplying 685798 into 125 directly. Instead of that, we are making in this way that 125 we can write it as 5 to the power 3. That 5 we can write it as 10 by 2. So while multiplying with any 10 digits, like a 10 number to 100, 200, it is very easy to multiply. Then we need to divide with the denominator. The answer will be 85724,750. In this, there is no option. The given options is a wrong answer. So change the answer. Here they have missed the number. It is 85724. This is the correct answer. Everyone got the same? Everyone got the same answer? Okay, fine. We'll move on to the fourth one. As here we are not multiplying directly with 1 to 5. We are multiplying with 5 to the power 3. Same way, here 625. In which number we can simplify with that? Like in which square we get 625? In which square number we're going to get 625? 25 square is 625, right? So try solving with making this 625 as 25 square. Otherwise, you can make it as 5 to the power 4. Even 5 to the power 4 is also 625. Then 5, we can write it as 10 by 2. Instead of writing 25 square, write 5 to the power 4. This 625, we can write it as 621. We can write it as 5 to the power 4. So this 43986 we need to multiply with 5 to the power 4. This 5 we can write it as 10 by 2. Right? Then this power will be divided to both numerator and denominator also. So 10 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4. So try solving as previous method and tell me the answer. This instead of writing 625, write it as 5 to the power 4. This 5 we can write it as 10 by 2. Four 3986 into 5 to the power 4398 into this 5 to the power 4 we can write it as 10 by 2 the whole to the power 2, right? Then 43986 into, here it is 4 to the power 4, then 2 to the power 4. Now solve it and tell me the answer. What is the answer for fourth one? Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, we'll move on to fifth one. In this, just don't multiply this two and this two. Just take common factor. Here 869 and here 869. We can take it as a common factor. 869, we can take it as common 739 plus 262. After taking 869 as a common factor, then we'll get 739 plus 262. Then 869 into 73, it is 738. 738 plus 262, it is 1000. Then just multiply with that, with 869. 869 into 1000, it is, this is the answer. Don't directly multiply with this two number and this two number. Just take common outside and add this and this number, this 738 and 262, and directly multiply with this number. Okay, we'll move on to next one. Did everyone got the same answer? For fifth one, D is the right answer. So we'll move on to next one. Same method you need to apply for sixth one. So here 936 is common number. So take 936 as a common number, and 583 minus 487. Minus 587 minus 487. Then what the number you get, multiply with 936. Here you're taking common as 936. 936 we're taking as a common. Then 587 minus 487. 936. 587 minus 487, it is 100. Then what will be the answer? 936 into 100. It is 93600. So A will be the answer. For sixth one, A will be the answer. Okay. Now solve for the seventh one. I will solve this one. In this, 569, 569, we can, in 569 into 569, we can write it as 596 the whole square minus 104 the whole square, right? It is like a formula called a square minus b square formula. Just apply the formula to this number and find the answer. Find the answer for seventh one. This 596 into 596, we can write it as 596 to the whole power 2 minus 104 to the power 2. So 596 to the power 2, this is like a square minus b square formula. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. Here 596 is a, 404, 104 is b. So apply this formula and find the answer. Five nine six minus 104 into 596 plus 104. We'll get this as an answer. Yes. Okay, we'll move on to eighth one. Try finding answer for eighth one. Just think the method, what the formula is applied to this. Like a square, so a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square formula is applied to this. 57 square plus 43 square plus 2 into 57 into 43. This looks exactly like this, right? So we can write it as 57 plus 43 to the power 2, the whole power 2. This looks like a plus b, the whole square. Just now try to solve this. 57 plus 43. How much it is? It is 100. 100 to the power 2. So answer is 10,000. A will be the answer. Okay, we'll move on to next one. Same method. Try to solve this ninth one. This look like a minus b to or a minus b the whole power 2. So apply that formula and get the answer. Okay, everyone got the same answer? Okay, fine. We'll move on to next. Okay, now we are completed with this number system. These are the types of questions they are going to ask in TCS. These are the basic questions which I have taught you. Now let's move on to percentage. Okay, what do you mean by percentage? How it is calculated? We consider 100 as a percentage, right? When there is a quantity, when we're dividing with a ratio, we'll consider as 100 as a percentage, right? Now, in 100%, 32%, which in this, which fraction is equivalent to 32%? Yes, how to find that? So the percent symbol, it indicates as 100, right? So in this type of question, directly we need to multiply 32 into 1 by 100. 100% we have to write it as 1 by 100. So this 32 we need to divide by 100. Right. Now tell me the answer in fraction. 4 8s and 4 25s, right? 4 8s are, and this will be 25. So answer will be 8 by 25. Right. Okay. Now solve for second one in the same way. 160% means what you have to do? You have to divide by 100. 160 by 100. Yes, for the second one, A is the answer. This is the correct answer for the second one. Okay. Simply, how to do this? Just take 160. This percentage we can write it as into 1 by 100, right? Directly, just one divide 160 by 100. After calculating this, we get 8 by 5. A will be the answer. Okay, same way calculate for this third one. Here what you have to do? 0.8 into 100 percentage, right? So 100 percentage we're writing as 1 by 100. So 0.8 divide by 100. So what will be the answer? 0.008, because we are dividing by 100. So this will be the answer. A is the answer. Everyone got the same answer? Okay, fine. Now we'll move on to the fourth one. Same way, calculate even this. First two sum, we got the answer in fraction. Then next two sums, we got the answer in decimal. Here what you have to do? 18. Just directly divide by 100. We need the answer in decimal, so answer will be 0.18. B is the right answer. Check it out once. Divide this 8. See, here there are two zeros. So we have to come backwards. So when there are two zeros, we have to move on to front side with two digits. When it is 30, then it will be 0.018. When it is 10, then the answer will be 1.8. Depends on 0, we'll get the answer. In which place the decimal place will be placed. In case of, for example, 18 by 10. This is just an example. Then the answer will be how much? 1.8. When it is 100, when we divide 18 by 100, then the answer will be, this will move on to this side because there are two zeros. So it is 0.18. Okay. When there are three zeros, like when we need to divide by 18 by 1000. So what will be the answer? 0.018. So in percentage, we have to divide by 100 because percentage means 1 by 100. So this is the answer. Yes, B is the answer. Okay, same way find the answer for 5 percentage. Find the answer for 5th and 6th. For 5th, it is 0.05. Because 5 we are dividing by 100. So answer will be 0.05. If it was 50, then what will be the answer? Then the answer will be 0.5 if it was 50 percentage. Now it is 5 percentage, so answer will be 0.05. C will be the answer. What is the answer for 6th one? Just you need to multiply this 126 into 1 by 100. That means 126 divided by 100. So answer will be 1.26. Okay. Now find the answer for this one. This 0.06 we need to divide by 100. Then the answer will be, yes, D is the right answer for seventh one. Yes. Move on to eighth and ninth. How to solve this? Just try, give a try for this. 1 minute, guys. Solve for 8th, ninth, and 10th. Find the answer for all the questions. Okay. We'll try solving first 8th, then we'll move on to 9th and 10th. Okay. In this, what you have to do is, what is 3 by 4 as percent, right? So, 3 by 4 into 100, right? So, what is the answer for this? Just write it clearly. Wait 1 minute. 3 by 4. This we need in a percentage. So, into, so this will be 4 ones are 4, 25s are. So, 3 into 25, we get 75. For 8th one, D will be the answer. Okay, now we'll move on to the 9th one. In this, first we need to find 45% of 280. So what we have to do is, like before, we need to divide this 45 by directly with 100. Instead of writing 45 into 1 by 100, directly we are writing 45 by 100 plus 1 minute. We have completed this 45%. 45% we need to write it as 45 by 100. Then off means it is into 280. Then plus 28% we can write it as 28 by 100 into 450. First find the answer for this, then find the answer for this, then add both the answer. For this, after simplifying, we get it 1, 2, 6. Here, after simplifying this digits, we get the answer as 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6 plus 1, 2, 6, it is 5, 2, 5, 2. For 9th one, B will be the answer. Any doubt? Any doubt in 9th one? Okay, fine. Same way, find the answer for what percent is 120 of 90. What will you do? One 20 of 90. So what will you do? Here, one 20 we need to find the percent. for this into 100. Here we are need to find the percent, right? So what will be the answer? 120 into 10, it is 1200 by 9. So it is 3 3s are 3 4s are 12 and 0 0. So answer will be 4 by 3 percentage. So A will be the answer. Any doubt in 10th one? Okay, we'll move on to next one. Just give a try for this 11th one. So 1 kg means it is 1000 gram, right? What percent is 5 gram of 1 kg? First, we need to convert this 1 kg equals 1000 gram. Then we need that in a percentage. This 1 kg we are writing in 1000 gram. Okay, because this is in a gram. Into, we want answer in percentage. So it is, we are multiplying with 100. When we need an answer in percentage, we need to multiply with 100. So we are getting 1 by 2 percentage. We all know that 1 by 2 percentage means it is again 1 by 2. We need in a percentage. So what we have to do? What is the percentage formula? It is 1 by 100, right? So just calculate. This will be the answer. In 1 kg, 5 gram is 0.05 percentage. Zero point zero 0.05. Yes. See, if it is 1 by 10, then it will be 0.5. But here it is 2 digits are 0. So the answer will be 0.05. When we need a percentage, what we're doing in before? See, in 1000 gram, in 1 kg, we are having 5 gram. So we need to find in a percentage. So what we have to do? Yes, 1 by 100. So here We got 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 divide by 1 by, because this, for this we need to find the answer. Because when we're calculating this, we get 1 by 2. For this 1 by 2, we're finding percentage. Okay, fine. The answer is 0.05. This is the correct answer. If okay, I'll give one more example that instead of 5 gram, if it was 100 grams, then how much percentage it would be? It would be like 10 percentage, right? Yes. In now it is 5 gram, so it is, so okay, for 100 gram it is 10 percentage. For 50 gram, it will be 5 percentage, right? For 50 gram it will be 5 percentage. Now we are finding only for 5 gram. Yes, now we need to find only for 5 gram. Then it will be 0.05 percentage. Okay, fine. Now let's move on to next topic. We'll move on to data interpretation. We'll move on to data interpretation. 1 minute. These are the basic question which I'm going to teach you now. If you have any doubts with any other question, just ping me in chat, okay? I'll solve that questions. Okay, is it visible now? Okay, now let's move on to data interpretation. In this, they're going to give a graph. Based on this graph, they're going to ask a question. Let's see the questions one by one. See, in this, just make a note of this. Just make a note of this. Based on this chart, they're going to ask a questions. Total number of boys and girls in various classes. Is it visible? The numbers are visible? Okay. These numbers are there in thousand. This is class A, class B, class C, class D, and class E. Okay, in class A, see this blue color indicates boys and this red color indicate girls. In class A, their boys are between 20 and 25,000. Girls are 25,000 exactly, right? Just make a note of this. After this, we'll move on to the problems. Okay. First question is, which of the following is the average number of girls from all the colleges? One minute. Okay, we'll see one by one. Just make a note how many boys are there and how many girls are there in each classes. Okay. Now, which of the following is the average number of girls from all the colleges? So, in this we need to find the answer. Okay. Did you find the answer for first one? Okay, I will solve the answer for the first one. Which of the following is the average number of girls from all the colleges? Your colleges are A, B, C, D, E. These are the colleges name and these are in thousands, right? So here what you have to do is, first you need to add all the girls. Here there are 25 girls. Then here there are exactly 30,000 girls. And here there are 20,000. And here it is 30,000. And here it is of the in between 30 and 35 it is 32.5 thousand girls are there. So in this you need to add all these and divide by 5 because we need to find the average, right? If the ask total number of girls in all the colleges means you just need to add, but here they're asking the average number of girls, so need to divide by 5. Okay, we'll see the step. 1 minute. For the first one, I'll solve here itself. We need to find total number of, we need to find the average number of girls in all the colleges. Okay. So in A college, there are 25. In B, there are 30. In C, there are 20,000. These all are in thousands because they are mentioned here. Numbers in thousand. So you need to add all these girls total them and divide by 5. I'll show you the steps. See here. You need to first you need to add all the total number of girls, and they are asking the average. So how many colleges are there? 5 colleges are there. So you need to divide by 5. So we get 27500. That means option B is the right answer. What is the answer? Yes, option B, because here the numbers are there in thousands. So you need to add 25,000, 30,000, 20,000. Here it is 30,000. Again, here it is 32.5 thousand. So you have to add all these girls to number, and you have to divide it by 5 because they're asking for the average. So this will be the answer. Just make a note of this. Okay. Now try to find the answer for the second one. I think you all have the data of this first one, right? Otherwise, please make a note of this. Then solve for the second one. Okay, what is the answer for this? Oh, find the answer for the second one. In this, they're asking the total number of girls from college D and E together is how much percent of total number of girls from all the colleges are A, B, C. For that, what you have to do is you have to add D and E college girls. Then divide that by this total number of girls in college A, B, C. Okay. Then into 100 because we are finding the percentage. Okay, we'll do the second one. 1 minute. I'll just copy this one. Okay. This is the question, right? We'll solve for this. In this, first we have to add total number of girls from D and E. Okay. In D college, we have 30,000 girls. Yes, right? Then in E, we have 32.5 thousand girls. That means 62,500 girls are there from D and E college. Then we need to find for A, B, C together. First, let's add all these girls. Total number of, let's find the total number of girls are there from A, B, C. So, okay. From A, there are, in A college, there are 25,000 girls. In B college, there are 30. And in C college, there are 20. So it is, this is 30, okay. 50 totally. From A, B, C, there are 75,000 girls are there from altogether A, B, C. This is from D, E. So we need to find the percentage of D and E college girls from A, B, C college girls. So for that, what you have to do? 6, 2, 5, 0, 0 divide by 7, 5, 0, 0, 0 into, we're finding percentage, right? So into 100. Now find the answer. 0, 0 and your 0, 0 get cancelled. This also will get cancelled. Now find the answer. This answer will be 83.3 percentage. Any doubt in the second one? Yes. Any doubt in the second one? First and second one is clear, right? Okay. We'll move on to we'll move on to the next one. See, these are the steps. If you want, you can make a note of this. Are you making note of this, or shall I move to the next one? Please let me know. Just ping me in chat. Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, now just take the question of this. Just copy the question of this. This is very simple. Just try to solve. In this, what you have to do is you have to add all the girls number, total number of girls you have to find out. Then you have to find out total number of boys. Then you need to find the difference. So you need to minus, right? So just find the answer and let me know. Okay, everyone got the same answer? Yeah, C is right. Everyone got the same answer or having any issue with the visual finding answer? Any problem in finding answer for the third one? Okay, I'll explain it once. See, what you have to do is you have to add all the boys number and you have to add all the girls number and you have to find the difference. Difference means we have to minus. Okay, we'll move on to the fourth one. If you want, you can just take a screenshot of these steps. Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next one. Here you need to find the ratio. Just give a try. Find the answer for this. You have to find the ratio between boys, the two between college. Which college? D and B. You have to find the ratio between boys from D college and boys from college B. In this, how many boys are there in college D? Blue color is boys, right? That means 22.5 thousand boys. 22.5 thousand boys are there from college D. So 22,500. We need to find the ratio between college B. In college B, how many boys are there? 25,000 boys are there. So in this 0, 20, 20 will get cancelled. So what will be the answer? 225 is to 250. 225 is to 250. Find the answer. What is the answer for the this one? 1 minute. Find the answer. I have told you the steps, right? Find the answer for the fourth one. What is the answer for this? Yes, 9 is to 10 is the correct answer. Okay. Try to find the answer for fifth one. Just do all the steps. The number of boys from college C is how much percentage of total number of boys from all the colleges. For this, what you have to do is you have to find percentage from total number of boys from all the colleges. Then we need to find how much percentage of boys are there in C colleges. In C college. In C college, there are 30,000 boys. 1 minute. Okay. Now, find the answer. In C college, there are this blue color indicates boys strength, right? Yes. There are 30,000 boys are there. Divide this by total number of boys from all the colleges. For that, you need to add. In A college, there are 25,000. I'm writing K for 1,000. In B college, there are 30,000. In B college, there are in A sorry in A college there are 22.5K. This is 22.5. In B college, there are 25K. In C, there are 30K. And in D, there are 22.5K. And again in E, there are same 22.5K. So add all this, you'll get a number. You need to divide this 30,000 by the total number of boys into, you have to multiply with 100 because we need to find the percentage, right? Okay, what is the answer? Yes, this this is the option D is the right answer. Everyone got the same? Okay, fine. Now let's move on to the next one. Same way, need to find the answer. Okay. Just make a note of this pie chart. From this given pie graph, we need to solve the problems. Okay. The total cost of construction is how much? 6 lakhs. The total cost is 6 lakhs. In 6 lakhs, 25% is went for labors, and 10% for timbers, and 15% for supervisor, 15% for steel, and 15% for bricks, and 20% for cement. In this, how much money is spent on cement? Here they are given in percentage, right? In 6 lakhs, 20% is spent for cement. That how much amount is spent, we need to find out. Just give a try for this. Try to find the answer. Find the answer. Same method what you have used in for percentage. Just put the same method and solve. In 6 lakhs, we need to find the 20 percentage. So what you have to do? You have to divide 20 by 100 into 6 lakhs. 20 by, this is 20 percentage, right? 20 percentage, we can write it as 20 by 100. So we need to find how much amount is spent on cement from 6 lakh. This is 6 lakh. So in this, we need to find the 20 percentage. Find the answer. What will be the answer? 0, 0. Here 0 will get cancelled. It will be 60,000 into 20 months. It will be 12,000. Sorry, 1,000. 1,20,000 will be the answer. 60,000 into. This is not 60,000. I have not cancelled it properly. Six 6,000 into 20, it is 1,20,000. So this will be the answer. Yes. Just move to next one. Don't take this, this is very confusing. So just write 20% as 20 by 100 into the total amount is spent on construction cost. By doing this, you'll get the answer. Then find the answer for the next one. The sum spent on work surpasses the sum spent on steel by. Just take a question of this. Take the question of this. Just take this line. Okay. Now analyze with this pie chart. The sum spent on work surpasses the sum spent on steel by. This and surpasses means labor. They need the answer for between labor and the amount spent on steel. Between this both, they need to find. We need to find the answer. Okay. For that, what we have to do is first we need to find how much amount is spent on exactly on labors. Then we need to find for steel. Okay. After finding this, we need to find excess. So for that, we need to in this part is consuming more amount, right? So this minus this we need to do. Then we'll get the answer. Then in that, we need to find the percentage. How much more percent is this labor is more than steel? Labor's expense is more than steel expense. We need to find which one is more expensive and how much. By looking at this, we know that this labor part is more expensive, right? So how much it is more expensive, we need to find out. By looking at this, we can directly identify that this is 15% and this is 25%. We can assume that it is 10%. In if it case like it was 15.47 percentage and here somewhat like 18.27. In that case, what you have to do is, here are the steps. First, I'll explain you directly. Okay. Total, this is, we know this complete circle, we know it is 360, right? Complete circle, it is 360. So this in complete circle, how much is this part is consumed? How to find out that? For that, you need to find the angle. This part, it is completely 25 degree. That means of a quarter of the circle it is consuming. We can assume that it has taken 90%, 90 degree, 90% of this 360. We can directly assume that, right? Then in 360 it is consuming 90. Just make a note, 90. Other part, steel part is consuming 54. 54 of 360. Then just multiply with 6 lakhs. Then we'll find the answer. And we need to find the excess amount. And we need to find how much percentage of excess amount. Hmm. By looking at this, we can directly tell that it is 10% more. This labor cost is 10% more than the steel cost, because here it is 15% and here it is 25%. Directly we can tell it as 10% expenses. This is the answer. If it was 18% and here it was 28%, means it was again 10%. Just minus with this. Got the answer? Just make a note of this or take a screenshot of this. Okay, fine. Okay. Now try to solve for this. The sum spent on cement, steel, and supervision is the thing that percent of aggregate expense of development. We have to find for all these three how much percentage spent on the all these three, and how much percentage it has they are spending on cement, steel, and supervision. For this, we have to add all the sum, or just by looking into the percentage, we can find the answer. We'll see the pie chart. Find the answer. Here we need to take the cement. This is 20%. Steel, it is 15%. That means it is 35%. Supervision, it is 15. 15, 15, 30 and 20. 50% is consumed here. So answer will be half. Here it is 20. Cement, it is 20%. Just add. Cement, it is 20. Steel, it is 15. And supervision is it is 50. By counting this, we can directly tell that 50% is consumed. So option is C. Any doubt in third one? Okay. Next, we'll move on to the fourth one. This is the last question of data interpretation. Next, we'll move on to time and work. Just solve this. Same like second one. You need to minus with amount spent on work minus amount spent on supervision. We'll copy this. Okay. Work means it is labor. So the amount spent on labor minus amount spent on supervision. So how much amount is spent on labor? It is 25%. What is 25% of 6 lakhs? What you have to do? 25 by 25%, we can write it as 25 by 100 into 6 lakh. So it is how much? How much is 25% of 6 lakh? It is 1 lakh 50,000, right? This is 1 lakh 50,000. Okay. We know this much amount is spent on labor. Okay. Now we need to find how much amount is spent on supervision. So what to do? 15% means we have to write it as 15 by 100 into what is the total amount spent? 6 lakh. So take it down 6 lakh. So this will be, what is the answer? This will be 90,000. So we know how much amount is spent on labor and also we know how much amount is spent on steel. So to find the answer for the fourth one, what you have to do? You have to minus this with this, right? What is the answer? 1,50,000 minus 90,000. It is 60,000. 60,000 is the answer. Any doubt? One more topic is there. I'll just complete with time and work because I started 10 minutes late, right? Okay, I'll come. This data interpretation is done. These are the types of question they are going to ask. Now let's move on to time and work. It just take hardly 10 minutes. Don't worry. I think you all got the answer for the fourth one, right? What is the answer? What is the answer for the fourth one? Just tell me the answer. Okay. Now let's move on to the next topic, time and work. Okay. Let's start with time and work. Is it visible now? Okay. Fine. We'll move on to time and work. Let's directly move to the questions. Okay. Here in this question, A can do a bit of work in 8 days, which B alone can do it in 10 days. In this question, A is taking this work to do 8 days. The same work B is taking 10 days to complete. So, if both are working together, then how much time, days will they take to complete the same work, working as a together? Okay. 1 minute. Here, A is taking 8 days, right? And B is taking 10 days. This 8 days, we can write it as 1 by 8. This 10 days, we can write it as 1 by 10. So, together means A plus B, right? So, what is A here? 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10. Find the answer. One by 8 plus 1 by 10. What is the answer? Okay, first we need to find the LCM for 8 and 10. What is the LCM for 8 and 10? 2 4s are 2 5s are 4 1s are this 5 as it is. Then 5 1s are. Okay, here 2 4s are 8. 8 5s are 40. For this, the LCM is 40. Then what will be here? This 8, we can multiply. How will we get 8 here? If it is 8, then what will be the number in the numerator? 2 4s are 8, right? And here, the same number you have to take. 2 5s are 10. 4 plus 5 is 9 by 40. So here we are written as 1 by 8. 8 we written as 1 by 8. That means here we need to reverse it. 9 by 40 you have to write it as 40 by 9. 40 by 9 days over A and B, if they work together, it takes 40 by 9 days to complete the same work. First you need to find the LCM. Then you have to check which the same number which is multiple of both denominator. In this we get 8 by 2 4s are 8 here, 2 5s are, so you're writing 4 here and 5 here. Then we need to add the both number because we have 40 as LCM for both denominator. Then 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 by 40. This 9 by 40 you have to reverse it because 8 we have written as 1 by 8. So this 9 by 40 we have to reverse. Then we'll get 40 by 9. Yes. LCM is 40. So this common number, if you have doubt with 4 and 5, what you have to do is this 8 and 4, the common number will be, the common multiple will be 2, right? 2 4s are 8. That 4 we have to write. For this, again in 2 table itself you have to take because we have to take in the same multiple number. Here it will be 2 5s are. So you're taking 5 and 4 and 5. Any doubt why you are taking 4 and 5? Because we are finding the LCM. If you want, you can take the picture of this. In this, A and B together, they are taking 12 days to complete. And in this is C alone is taking 30 days to complete. In how long B can alonely do a work? In this, what you have to do is, in this you are doing addition. You're doing A plus B, right? Because you want to find together answer. In this you have to, they are already given the together. Answer is, for first one, answer is A, 40 by 9. First one is clear? Srinath Gupta, first one is clear? Answer is A. Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next one. Okay. In this together I have given, and they have given the alone time of C which has taken to complete work. Right. So we have to find for B. If you work alone, how much time it is going to take. For that, what you have to do is A plus B. They are already 1 minute. I'll write it here. A and B, they are given as total, together they are working and completing the task in 12 days. Yes, right? Okay. C alone is taking 30 days. To find B, what we have to do? We have to minus A plus B together minus C alone. So what is A plus B here? A plus B here it is 1 by 12 we are writing as 12 we are writing as 1 by 12 minus, because we have to find B alone. So together where you have and B particular how many days he is going to complete we have. So minusing with together we'll get the B answer. What is C here? 30 you're writing as 1 by 30. Now what you have to do is you have to find the LCM for 12 and 30. What is the LCM for? Yeah, C is the right answer. Okay, tell me the LCM for 12 and 30. What is the LCM for 12 and 30? Let's check it out. 2 6 are 2 15s are 3. Yeah, 3 2s are 3 5s are 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 5s are 12 5s are it is 60. 60 is the LCM. Then here it is how much we are going to write. How much here LCM is 60. 60 is the LCM. Any doubt in finding LCM? 2 3s are 6. Right? 6 2s are 12. And 12 2s are, sorry, 12 5s are, it is 60. 60 is the LCM. Then what will be here? What will be here? Which table will come here? Which table will come here? Answer fast. Yes. Here it will be 3. Three ones are, here it is 20. This 1 by 20 we can write it as 20. Yes. 5 minus, we got 3 here because 5 minus 2 by 60. Then 3 by 60. That will be 1 by 20. This 1 by 20 we can write it as 20. So answer is 20 days. Any doubt in this? Okay. If you want, take a picture of this and solve for the third one. Solve the answer for the third one. Find the answer. Just give a try for this. I'll explain. Okay. What is the answer for third one? Did you all got the answer for third one? Just find the answer for this. Just take a picture and solve it by yourself. This is a practice question. If you does not find the answer, I'll explain the next class. Don't worry. Okay. Then also take this one and find the answer for this also, fourth one. Take a picture of this. Okay, just give a try. I'll explain in the next class. Don't worry. Okay, guys. Thank you for your patience. And if you have any doubts, please make a note of that. And whenever come for the next class, please ask me. I'll solve all the problems. Okay. Okay. Thank you for the session. Thank you, guys.